Where is Rhonda? Well, I've been absent from posting cooking videos for the past couple of weeks as I'm taking a short break and focusing on other activities. One of the things I did was take a small road trip. Last week I visited Pigeon Forge, Tennessee and attended the Grand National F100 show. I recorded just a few clips here and there during the event and I wanted to share them with you, so let's go. Before we get started, let me show you the quaint little cabin we stayed at. It is located on Valley View Road in Wears Valley, Tennessee, and it's only a short distance from Pigeon Forge or Townsend. I will put the host information in the description box below if you happen to be interested and are in the area. We thoroughly enjoyed it. It was very clean, cool, and offered everything we needed. It is located right beside a farm/boarding stable, so if you like the sounds and the smells of a farm like I do, you will love it. But anyway, let me move on from the cabin. I could have stayed there all day. Now we got to the show, which was at the LeConte Center in Pigeon Forge, and we walked all through the interior of the building, which really had what I call the high dollar rides, the ones that are fully restored, don't touch them type rides. Very nice. Now I'm clueless as to what I'm looking at. You can tell me an F100 and that covers too many things. You need to narrow it down for me. But either way, I did have a good time. I was there for to get out of the house. Now, once we got outside to the parking lot, there were trucks everywhere. So I was given the job to help find all the 1969 Ranger XLTs, I think. So I was told how to look for them and to snap a picture of it and let him know where they were to see if he had missed any, because that's what he was looking for this year, was 69 Ranger XLTs that were for sale. So off I went. Okay, by this time, we're hot, we're tired. Visually, you're looking at a parking lot, and it appears to be flat, but it is not. Everything is uphill, downhill, on an incline, on a slant. I was so tired, my feet were hurting, his feet were hurting. We decided to stop, go find us a bite to eat, and a lot of the trucks were going to do a cruise through Pigeon Forge and Wears Valley that afternoon. We decided to go get a bite to eat, cool down, and watch them cruise through Wears Valley. Now we wanted to eat somewhere that we've never eaten before. We like to do that when we go on trips to the mountains or to the Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. So we stopped at Papa's Catfish Kitchen, and it was wonderful. I had the fried fish, he had fried fish and shrimp. But if you like a fish that is lightly seasoned, lightly breaded, you can't go wrong. They were delicious. We also tried the boudin balls, and I had no clue what they were. I've only heard about them like on Duck Dynasty, but they were good. A real comfort food. They reminded me of who had it? Was it Popeye's fried chicken or Church's chicken? Somebody used to have a rice. I don't know if it was called dirty rice or Cajun rice, but it had a lot of seasoning in it, and it had bits of meat. I'm going to say sausage in it. But that's what the boudin balls tasted like. Like you had took some of that rice, rolled it up in a ball, and deep fried it. They were delicious. So we were right. Are we going to film all of them? Yay or nay? Film them or no? Nothing for me. Hope they got good brakes. Somebody pulled out in front of him. Circle H. Long wheelbase. up, ain't they? Put his bed back together?
Probably.
See the like weld marks?
Sure that one come by the tore out.
Some of these definitely remind you of different people growing up that might have had those models.
Frank Yeltman had one look like that one, that black one.
That's too loud. There's the orange blossom is green, black. See, they all. Seeing that one. You know, they'll get split up. I say they'll be even more split up. sure y'all are tired of looking at Ford trucks, as I was. No, not really. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the trip. But it's time to get back to work. It's time to get back home and start cooking again. And I just thank y'all for watching. And if you will, please subscribe and like and leave us a comment. If you were in Pigeon Forge this weekend at this Ford show, leave a comment and let us know. And let us know where you were from. And as always, again, thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.